got it ducking now. We gotta move forward, man.
Alright guys, it's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, you know what guys, we just decided to take another quick hike since, excuse me, it's our day off. Check it out guys, check it out. We got some beautiful waterfalls over here. We got beautiful people over there, which is my friends and family. But check it out. Hey! Whoa, right on the edge guys, check it out. Little hidden waterfall. Oh, got some whales over there, I think. Whales, yeah. Whales out in the distance, guys. But yeah, usually when it's low tide, there's a swimming area right there. Nice little tide pool. There's actually a nice one over there, but since the tide is coming up, it's kind of dangerous right now. So always guys, research the tide. If it's coming up, stay away, especially when it looks like this. Yeah, when it's going down or if it's low tide, then it's a place to go. But overall, if you don't know the place, just make sure you go with somebody who knows the place. Right? Yeah, but yeah, just finished taking some pictures. Look at that. Yeah, we got Mr. Sun peeping through. We got beautiful cascading waterfall, and of course the many waterfalls over there. So yeah, I'm gonna try and cross it to make it over to the gang over there. But yeah guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to see more beautiful things like this. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like and all that good stuff. You know what, I'm probably gonna do a time lapse and probably take a video, maybe like a 5-minute video of nothing, you know, just a view, let you guys enjoy it without my yapping mouth, guys. But yeah, check it out, guys. I think there's some fishies over here too. I'll take a look. There's any fishies. Wow. Whoa, a seagull. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see guys, let's see if I can make it. How to do it. Like GoPro thing. Your own little swimming area.